Well, it happened. My PC died. After all these years of streaming, recording, and editing, it just stopped. Which meant no OBS, no streaming, no recording, no editing, no videos. I thought my YouTube channel was doomed. Then I tried something a little weird. Would you believe me if I told you that this footage was recorded on my iPad? So for right now, I'm using a live stream setup using my iPad, and somehow it actually works. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I set this weird setup. Now I'm still streaming games like Dead by Daylight without a PC. So for now, my streaming setup looks a little different than it used to. Instead of a computer, I'm using an iPad Pro with this amazing app called Camo Studio. So it starts with the console and it works with all of them. Tried the Switch, the Xbox, and the PlayStation 5. So here we have the black cord. It's an HDMI coming from the console. Then we have the silver HDMI coming out of the Elgato HD60 capture card going to our monitor. And then the cable in the middle is a USB-C. It's the one that came with the capture card. It's going into this USB hub. The USB hub goes into this audio video cable that I bought from Apple, and it goes directly into the iPad. And then we'll jump over to Camo Studio and I'll show you that. Okay, so this is Camo Studio. That's the app I'm using that I found to stream from. You can see you can select your scenes. I have all of that there. We're gonna stick on the gameplay scene right now. You have two options for cameras, capture card. So we're gonna go with our first one here. This is the display one. We're gonna turn it on. We're gonna go external. And we're going to select my capture card. And there you go. There is the game. You have audio options. Right now, you can only, because it's a limitation with the iPad, you can only have one audio source coming in, and that is the game source. But if you have an iPhone or an extra iPhone, like I'm using for my webcam, you can use that as an audio source. I've been using these Hollyland Lark A1 for my audio. Sounds really good. It's the best I can do so far that I've found. I tried using my Fifine here, but it has you don't have any kind of filters to reduce background noise. So these little microphones work the best. And yeah, so that's what I've been using for that. You have your layers, so you can add web sources, say like your chat, your alerts, right there. And then here is your platform chat. Right now you can stream to Twitch, YouTube. I have Kick set up through custom. You can also do Trovo if anyone still actually uses Trovo anymore. I would love to see Kick here. That way you can get Kick chat over here without having to go to Kick and read your chat there. You can also record, and you can set it to go to your iCloud or to your photo library. You have these different presets that you can use. 4K 60 vertical. If you want to do like TikTok or YouTube Shorts, 4K 30, 1080 60, and 1080 30. If you would like to see a more detailed video talking about this app, I'd be glad to do it. The app again is Camo Studio. So if you're like me and your PC dies, or you just want to try streaming without an expensive computer, this might be for you. Let me know if you'd like to see more about this setup, and if you have any questions, I'd be glad to help you work through it. If you'd like to see another video diving more into Cam Studio, let me know, and I will be glad to make the video help you out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me.